Earthlite Massage Table Traveler Cart. If you are looking for the sturdiest cart you can find, this one might be for you. Rolling over rough or rocky surfaces is usually hard on wheels, but this particular model is made to accommodate. It's solid and durable, weighing in at 14 pounds, and is sure to transport your table securely, even up and down stairs. Earthlite is an award-winning, reputable manufacturer of all sorts of massage supplies, so you can trust they know what they are doing. Additionally, they are environmentally sustainable and build their products to last a lifetime. They provide innovative designs and achieve consistency by employing highly skilled individuals. If you're interested in supporting manufacturing processes that achieve a zero carbon footprint, buying this brand is a great choice. This cart is high quality with a coated anti-corrosion finish, and if you want to maintain a complete professional appearance, with this cart you can be confident that every last detail will look clean and precise. The Earthlite cart fits most tables. If you aren't sure if it will fit yours, it's recommended to compare the dimensions of your table with that of a cart, or use this particular cart with an Earthlite brand table. The cart itself folds up nicely for storage when you're not using it, and comes with a wide strap to keep your table safe, secure, and dent-free. Here are some pros. Very sturdy, folds up for easy storage, steady wheels for rough terrain, easy to clean material, telescoping handle to adjust height. And here are some cons. Heavier than other options, somewhat bulky, fits most but not all tables.